Pizza is undoubtedly one of the most popular and beloved foods worldwide. It is loaded with cheese, meats, veggies and other toppings, making it both satisfying and delicious. However, if you're watching your calorie intake, you might be wondering how many calories are in a slice of pizza. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some healthy and low-calorie pizza recipes to enjoy without any guilt. How many calories are in a slice of pizza? The calorie count of a slice of pizza varies widely depending on its size, toppings and crust type. On average, a regular-sized slice of cheese pizza contains approximately 200 to 300 calories. However, the calorie count can go up to 400 to 600 calories for a slice of meat lover's pizza, loaded with pepperoni, sausage, bacon and other high-calorie toppings. Factors affecting the calorie count of pizza. Size of the slice. A larger slice will have more calories than a smaller one. Type of crust. A thin crust pizza will have fewer calories than a deep dish or pan pizza. Toppings. High-calorie toppings such as meat, extra cheese, and fatty sauces can significantly increase the calorie count of your pizza. How to make low-calorie pizza at home. If you're a pizza lover, you don't have to give up your favorite food to stay healthy. Here are 3 low-calorie pizza recipes that are easy to make and delicious to taste. Recipe 1, Margherita pizza. Recipe 2, Chicken pizza. Recipe 3, Veggie pizza. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.